Hi everyone, good evening Sir Aquino. I'm Lauren P. Mantos, Lapu-Lapu Cebu International College, Tourism Management 3rd year. The subject is ethics by Sir Aquino. A talking point for your video. The main idea of male utilitarianism start with this about 40 minutes. For John the start, male utilitarianism means that the best action is the one that brings the greatest happiness for the greatest number of people. Happiness for male means a pleasure and the advance of the pain. He also believed that not all pleasure are equal higher pleasures like knowledge and creativity are better than the lower pleasures like a special enjoyment. Number 2, difference between male and Bindam. Miller improved the Bindam idea. Bindam it said that all the pressure are equal and can be measured by a quantity. Miller described he said equality matters poor more than a quantity. For example, reading a good books give a higher kind of happiness than just eating your favorite food. Even if it both feel good. Number 3, strength and weaknesses. A strength of utilitarianism is that it promote overall happiness and help people think about the common good, not just their own benefit, but weekends. It